John Davis. John Davis was living in South Wales. He is an extraordinarily good landscape photographer, you know, of a very, very pure documentary nature. They're very sort of straight pictures of, as I say, of the landscape. You know, there's obviously no tricks in them and no something. They're just very much scene pictures. I basically swapped a mass of pictures. I think I've got about, these are probably over 20 years of pictures, in that we swapped Christmas cards. We both made handmade Christmas cards. They're actual prints that are made, and in my case, I every year make 50 of them, and they go out as a limited edition. And he does, I'm not quite sure what his edition is, but he does the same. And so there was no reason to sort of try and get a bigger print, because I just think they're so beautiful, this size. I mean, they're just so delicate and lovely.